Hey everyone, and welcome to our latest explainer. Today, we're diving into a really cool tool that's designed to take that chaotic storm of ideas in your head and turn it into a structured masterpiece. You know the feeling. You have a brilliant concept, but absolutely no idea where to even begin? Well, this one's for you. So let me ask you this. Have you ever had one of those light bulb moments? You know, a fantastic idea for a school project, a new business, maybe even a YouTube channel? But it just feels like this giant, tangled mess in your brain. You know there's something amazing in there, but you just can't figure out where to start pulling the threads? Yeah, if that sounds familiar, trust me, you are not alone. It's a huge hurdle, especially for the millions of students and young creators across India who are just brimming with creativity but struggle to give their ideas the solid structure they really need to come to life. A great idea can so easily get lost in all that clutter. But what if you had a partner to help you untangle all those thoughts? What if you had an AI thinking partner? Well, that's exactly where this all starts to get interesting.
So meet RachnaX AI. Now, the official term is a structured thinking and content intelligence platform. But what does that really mean? Well, in simple terms, its entire job is to take your raw, messy, brilliant ideas and transform them into something clear, logical, and high quality. It's kind of like having a personal editor or a mentor that actually teaches you how to structure your thinking better the more you use it.
And this is really the core of it all. It takes you from that scattered, maybe a little stressful brainstorm and drops you into this clean, simple, and seriously powerful workspace. It's designed to give you that aha moment where everything just suddenly clicks into place. Now, this is really important, and this is the whole philosophy behind it. This is not about the AI replacing your creativity or doing the thinking for you, not at all. It's a collaborative tool. The intelligence works with you, helping you to build on and structure your own unique thoughts. Okay, so that all sounds great in theory, right? But how does it actually work in practice? How do you get from that jumbled idea in your head to a polished, structured result? Well, the process is surprisingly simple. It really just boils down to 3 easy steps. First, you just capture your idea. Dump all your raw thoughts into the workspace. Second, you customize what you want to get out of it. You choose an engine, a tone, a platform. And then third, you just hit generate, and bam, you get a structured, organized, and insightful result. Let's look at a real-world example. Say a student types in a raw idea, something like, I want to make a YouTube video about my first solo trip to Goa, but I don't know how to start or what to say. RachnaX AI takes that simple prompt and, just like that, turns it into a fully structured script outline. It gives you a hook for the intro, sections for your daily adventures, must-try food, and even a call to action. It's an instant roadmap.
Okay, so a huge part of the magic happens in that customization step we just talked about. See, this isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of tool. It actually uses these specialized creation engines to tailor the output for whatever it is you're trying to do.
You've got these different engines for different goals. The academic engine, that's perfect for students working on essays or research papers. It's like having a mentor guide you on structuring your arguments. Then there's the creator engine, which is totally tailored for things like YouTube scripts or snappy Instagram captions. And, of course, a business engine for professional stuff like reports. You just pick the right tool for the job. And the customization goes even deeper, with a special focus on the Indian market, on Bharat. You can generate content in over 15 Indian languages, including Hindi and Marathi. You can also tailor the output for specific platforms like YouTube or Instagram and choose from a whole bunch of different tones to get the exact style you're going for. Right, so you might be wondering, how does it do all of this so fast? To understand that, we've got to take a quick peek at the tech that's working behind the scenes.
So the whole platform is built on what's called a serverless architecture from AWS. Now, you don't need to know all the technical details, but what you do need to know is that this makes it incredibly efficient and seriously fast. It lets the AI process your ideas pretty much instantly, with no lag.
So what does all that efficiency actually mean for you, the user? Well, it means speed. The average time it takes to go from your raw idea to a fully structured output is just 3.8 seconds. Yup, in just those few seconds, this highly optimized process kicks in, getting you from idea to execution without breaking your stride. It's all about speed and efficiency, so you can stay right in that creative flow. So this tool is already pretty impressive, but the team is definitely not stopping here. Let's take a quick look at what's coming up next. There's a lot to get excited about on the horizon. Soon, you'll be able to use your voice to capture ideas just by talking. Mobile apps are on the way for creating when you're on the move, plus a whole library of templates and even browser extensions. It's all about making the process even more seamless and intuitive. And that brings us to the end of our explainer. A tool like this really aims to remove the friction between having a great idea and actually creating a finished product, which leaves me with one final question for you. If you could instantly structure any idea, what masterpiece would you create?